Hey, what's up everybody? Austin coming at you with Vaporleaf. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Revvo Tank from Aspire. To tear the Revvo Tank down, you can go ahead and unscrew the top cap. You can unscrew the mouthpiece of the top cap, and that allows you to remove the airflow ring. To remove the coil, all that you need to do is remove the compression nut and then pry the coil up with your fingers. To remove the glass, just unscrew the compression ring on the bottom and slide the glass off. To fill your tank, you'll need to press your coil onto the top of it, then screw your compression nut back down. To fill your tank, you'll want to hold it straight up and down. Take your juice bottle, press straight down on that plunger and squeeze, and the juice will fill from the bottom up. To prime your coil, all that you need to do is screw the top on and turn the tank upside down for 1 minute. Once that's done, you can screw it onto your device and you're ready to vape. I personally like to set my airflow about a little less than halfway open. Even there, it's a very airy tank. With this tank, you must vape above 70 watts. I'm personally vaping right at about 80.
Alright, thank you so much for watching. You can pick this up on our website at vaporleaf.com or come check it out in our shop in Lakewood, Colorado. We'll see you next time. Bye.